single, just one thing, like a bird that starts to sing. But when there's more, it's called plural. Add an S and it's so cool. One cat, two cats, meow, meow, meow. One cow, two cows, moo, moo, wow. It's easy to learn, give it a try. Singular is one, plural is more, oh my. Oh my. One ball is fun, but two are great. One cookie's good, but I'll take 8. If there's only one, it's just by itself. But if there are more, add some help. Oh, one star, two stars up in the sky. One car, two cars zooming by. Singular is one, it stands alone. Plural is many, and they've all grown. Some words change in a silly way. One child, two children here to play. 1 foot, 2 feet, step on the floor. 1 tooth, 2 teeth, learn some more. 1 dog, 2 dogs, woof, woof, bark. 1 light, 2 lights, shining in the dark. Now you know, it's so much fun. Singular is one, plural is more.